stop scrolling, guys, because Instagram might just be your perfect match. In this video, I'm breaking down exactly why IG is the best Forex broker for US traders. From tight spreads to US compliance to tools trusted by professionals, you're about to see what makes IG stand out. And remember, all official broker links, including IG, are in the description. Click the link below to check out IG's official site and start your Forex journey the right way. Regulated and trusted in the US, let's start with the foundation: safety. IG is fully regulated in the United States by the CFTC and National Futures Association, NFA. That means your account is protected, your broker is transparent, and you're not dealing with any shady offshore platforms. If you're serious about trading in the US, IG is one of the few brokers that legally has your back. Powerful trading platforms. IG gives you access to MetaTrader 4, a trusted platform known for reliability, speed, and powerful charting tools. Prefer something sleek and modern? IG's custom web platform offers intuitive design, lightning-fast execution, and advanced risk management tools. Deposit and withdrawal methods. Funding your account is fast, easy, and secure. You can use credit card, debit card, HKFPS, or via bank transfer. And here's the best part: IG charges 0 fees on deposits or withdrawals. Low spreads and no commission on standard accounts. IG offers competitive spreads, starting as low as 0.8 pips on major pairs like EUR or USD. On standard accounts, there's no commission. Your cost is built right into the spread. If you're trading larger volume, IG also offers raw spread accounts with tighter pricing and low commissions. Pro tools, research, and signals. IG goes beyond just trading platforms. They offer real-time signals, economic calendars, automated risk tools, and market insights from top analysts. You also get free access to trading webinars, tutorials, and education hubs, making it a great choice even if you're just getting started. US-based customer support. Need help fast? IG offers dedicated US customer support, available 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. Whether it's technical help, funding questions, or platform guidance, their team is reliable, responsive, and professional. Trade with what you can afford. There's no minimum deposit required to open an IG account. That means you can start trading at your own pace, with whatever amount you're comfortable with. So, regulated in the US, ultra-fast platforms, low spreads, pro-level tools, and world-class support, IG checks every box for anyone serious about Forex trading in the US. Click the official IG link in the description, open your account, and take your first step towards smarter trading today. And remember, trade smart, stay informed, and always protect your capital. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.